everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple paper airplane. And let's start now. First of all, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then start from this edge forward to the other edge and repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's flip the paper over and start from this edge forward to this edge. And on the following step, let's start from this edge forward to this edge. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Now start from this edge and fold straight to the other edge. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over. Now you have a very simple traditional paper airplane. Let's do a few more steps so that the plane will fly better. From this edge, from this edge, estimate about 1, 2, 2.5 inches and fold straight. And when you open this layer up, you can see this corner. Use this corner as a preference to fold this plug up. Okay, and repeat the same fold for the other side of the paper. Flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. Let's fold the upper edge up. And you can see the lower edge here matches to the lower edge. Okay, so when you match both sides of the paper, you will have the head of the plane like this. Now let's match both edges together. Okay, let's fix this a little bit more. So this is what you will have for now. Now let's open the layer, the upper layer. Now let's start from this edge. Estimate about 1/2 inch along this edge and fold straight to this corner. And repeat the same fold for the other side. If you know the paper airplane named Concorde, this is how it looks like. So you have this side, this side. Now let's fix the upper edge again. If it goes down too much, the plane will not fly well, so let's adjust it. Just make it go down a little bit more. And fix the wings. One side and the other side. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out and tell me how it's flying. If it's flying well, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. You can also adjust the head a little bit more too. Yeah, make sure that you can adjust the head a little bit more. So that's just look. Let's create the stabilizers to make the plane fly well. At the end of the plane, estimate about half an inch along this edge and for a straight line. Make sure that the line parallel with the center crease or the center line. So very simple, just make it for like this. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's fold the wings back and then flip the paper over and then fold the other side of the wings. You can hold the plane like this and make sure that the both stabilizers are parallel. So now you can make the stabilizers and fold up. Fold up. Alright, and at the end, let's create the elevators to make sure that the plane will fly. In case it doesn't fly, you can fold it up a little bit more. Now let's flatten it down. Adjust the head of the plane a little bit too. It should be more flat. So this is how it should look like. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out. Let me know how it's worked for you. If the plane fly very well, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.